This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to earn money in Kucoin step by step. Open a verified Kucoin account and fund your wallet with an amount you can afford to risk. Start with small trades, use stop losses, and learn basic chart patterns. Explore staking, lending, and Kucoin earn to diversify income. Keep security practices strong, use 2FA, and withdraw profits regularly to build a steady, resilient approach. I'll walk you through order types, market makers, and risk sizing so you trade smarter on Kucoin. Learn differences between market and limit orders and set clear entry and exit points. Use position sizing rules like risking only 1% to 2% per trade. Monitor volume and basic indicators to confirm moves. Practice on a small balance before scaling up and keep a trading journal to track wins, losses, and lessons. Focus on passive Kucoin options like staking, Kucoin earn, and lending to create steady income streams without constant trading. Compare APYs, lockup periods, and withdrawal rules before committing funds. Diversify across stablecoins and top blue-chip tokens to reduce volatility risk. Reinvest rewards to harness compounding, but maintain emergency liquidity. Review platform promotions and referral bonuses occasionally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.